Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Right now, your brain is recording this moment. The sound of this voice, the room around you, your thoughts, your emotions, even the feeling of existing here right now. But here is the strange part. None of it is being stored perfectly. Your memories are not exact recordings, they are reconstructions, tiny fragments, electrical patterns, and emotional impressions stitched together into something your mind calls reality, which means the person you believe you are is built almost entirely from memory. And if memory changes, then reality changes too. Tonight, we explore what memory truly is, how the brain stores reality, and why forgetting may be just as important as remembering. Section 1. Memory is not a recording. Most people imagine memory like a video file, as if the brain stores events exactly as they happened. But that is not how memory works. The brain does not record reality perfectly. Instead, it rebuilds experiences from pieces. A smell, a sound, an emotion, a face, a sensation. Your brain combines these fragments together, creating what feels like a complete memory. But every time you remember something, the memory changes slightly, which means memories are alive, flexible, rewritten over time. Even your oldest memories may not be completely real anymore. Section 2. How memories form. Every memory begins with attention. Your brain is constantly flooded with information. Most of it disappears instantly, but when something feels emotional, surprising, dangerous, or meaningful, the brain pays attention. And attention is the first step toward memory. Deep inside the brain is a structure called the hippocampus. This region helps organize experiences into long-term memory. Without it, new memories cannot properly form. This is why emotion matters so much. Strong emotions signal importance: fear, love, embarrassment, excitement. The emotional brain tells the memory system, "This matters." And the brain listens. Section 3. Why childhood feels different. Have you ever wondered why childhood memories feel strange, almost dreamlike? Partly because your brain was still developing, but also because childhood experiences were new. Novelty creates stronger memories. As adults, life becomes repetitive, days blend together, weeks disappear faster, but children experience constant firsts. First friendships, first fears, first discoveries, and the brain stores novelty intensely. This is one reason time feels faster as we age. Not because time changes, but because fewer new memories are being created. Section 4. Memory shapes identity. Your identity depends heavily on memory. Who you think you are comes from remembered experiences, your victories, your failures, your relationships, your pain, your happiest moments together. They form the story you call yourself. But memory is selective. The brain edits constantly. Some experiences become exaggerated, others fade completely, which means your sense of self is partly constructed, not fake, but interpreted. You are not simply remembering reality, you are rebuilding it continuously. Section 5. Why we forget forgetting sounds negative, but forgetting is essential. Imagine remembering every tiny detail of every day forever, every conversation, every sound, every face. The mind would become overwhelmed. Forgetting allows the brain to focus on what matters most. The brain removes information constantly. Weak connections disappear. Strong emotional patterns remain in many ways. Memory is less about storing everything and more about filtering reality. And sometimes, forgetting pain is what allows healing. Section 6. False memories. One of the strangest facts about the human mind is that false memories can feel completely real. People can remember events that never happened, not because they are lying, but because memory is reconstructive. Suggestions, stories, photos, even imagination can slowly reshape memory itself. Over time, fiction can begin feeling like truth. This reveals something unsettling. Reality inside the brain is not perfectly objective. It is interpreted, shaped by emotion, expectation, and repetition. Right now, as this moment passes, your brain is already turning it into memory. The sound of these words, your thoughts, the feeling of sitting here, all slowly becoming fragments. And someday, this exact moment may return unexpectedly, a faint impression, a feeling, a distant reconstruction of now. Because memory is not a perfect archive, it is a living process, a constantly rewritten story, the invisible structure holding together your sense of reality. And perhaps that is what makes human consciousness so mysterious. We are not simply experiencing life, we are continuously rebuilding it from echoes every day, every moment, until eventually all that remains of us are memories inside other minds. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.